rolling the way down. Not breathe your hand. You only can rescue me. This is my breath. If you were mine, if you were mine, I wouldn't want to go.
Hey guys, I'm back with some human hair that I'm super excited about. You already see the smile on my face. That is because this unit is from my friends over at Nadula Hair. They're one of my most favorite human hair wig companies. Let me try to reel it in. Not too long ago, I can't even get my words right. Not too long ago, I filmed a wig by Nadula. It was actually 2 or 3 of them. The last ones that I've purchased, I've absolutely loved, so I know that I'm gonna like this one as well. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So all I've done is take this unit out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all, my friends. So the wig comes in, and I'm so thankful that Nadula has caught on as well. It comes in, of course, it's boxed, but I love that companies are starting to switch over to these bowling bag type storage cases. Like I told y'all, I use these as toiletry bags for everything, like the different areas in my bathroom, for makeup, blah, blah. You can use it for so many different things. So I do appreciate the new bowling bag storage system that they have. They've also sent a silk storage case for your unit if you want to store it that way. And it comes in its own magnetic box as well. Okay, so I can appreciate it. I know, y'all, I just love Nadula. All right, so I'm gonna put the wig here. Let's look at the extras before we get into the wig. All right, so the extras are things that I actually use, and I know I keep saying that in these human hair wig videos, but it's true. Sometimes companies will throw something so random in, like a meat tenderizer, and what can I do with that, right? But Nadula sends things that I actually will use. They sent over 2 edge bands. It's like they double up on everything. Oh, 3 packs of HD wig caps. Okay. And some press-on nails. And these press-on nails that I have on actually came from Nadula a long time ago. They just raggedy right now. All right. Let's look at this wig. All right, so this wig is... let me center myself. Okay. This wig is a 13x4 pre-everything wig. It is 24 inches long. Let me just take it out of the pack, and then I think you guys will know why I'm so excited about this wig, okay? Okay, so like I said, it's a pre-everything wig. So they included a bunch of, oh Lord. They included a bunch of these pre-everything tabs. I use these on all my wigs because it makes the wig feel so secure to my head, and I don't have to utilize combs. If another one of my wigs come with combs, Nadula is a real goat for these pre-everything tabs because a wig has to fit comfortably for me to like it. I don't care how this one fit on my head, I'm gonna like it. I can tell you that off the rip. Y'all, I'm so excited. There are 3 things that I'm looking for when I'm looking at human hair. 3 things, checklist every time. If you're an oldie but goodie, you know what they are. Affordability. Check, this wig is super affordable, and Nadula has payment options. If you like me, irresponsible, you know, you can get the wig on some payments. Okay, I think they want to say that, Klarna and Afterpay. Okay, so super affordable. The other thing that I'm looking for is beginner friendliness. Y'all, let me take this. Just taking out the paper. I can't comb hair. I've been wearing wigs for 10, 15 years, but I still can't comb hair. I never want to really learn how to comb hair. I need a wig that'll come with everything done. Nadula sent this wig pre-colored, pre-curled, pre-plucked, pre-ducked, all the stuff that the girls do that I can't do. Nadula has done it for me. The other check mark that I need is the quality. And I could tell you this is some great quality here, but we'll wait to the end and I'll say that again. Okay, so of course the curls and the color on this unit are super pretty, and that's why I was excited. But let's look at the basics as well. So you get this 13x4 parting space, which that normally would be intimidating to me because I can't comb here. But because of these pre-everything tabs on this unit, I am not afraid. Okay, that made it sound like I was really finna go into a battle. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid because of those pre-everything tabs. It makes the wig lay flush to my head. In the back, we also have a comb and some adjustable straps, and we have an adjustable glueless band as well. Y'all, check out the color on this. And look at that, just right out of the pack. Look how pretty that is. Okay, I cannot wait to put this on my Homer Simpson 3 strands of hair that I have. I'll give you a 360. I'll take off, of course, these pre-everything tabs. Give you a 360, brush this curl out, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig by Nadula Hair. I'm trying to contain my excitement because I'm absolutely in love with this wig, y'all. I knew that I was going to like it. I just didn't know I was going to like it this much. And it was because I knew this was a nice wig, but I didn't know if little beginner me was going to be able to handle this wig. And y'all, if I can say that this is an easy wig, then trust me, this is an easy, beautiful wig. I've gotten into this phase as I age. I'll be 40 in April. I've gotten into this phase where I like to pull my wigs up. In this little toss-up, half up, just a claw clip back there. This half up look, and I love it. And I knew that I would be able to do this with this wig, and it would look nice because of the coloring, the highlights they put in this wig, and it did not disappoint. It gave me what I needed. You won't see this wig on Posh because this is definitely one that I'm keeping for myself. This wig is gorgeous. I love everything about it. It did my 3 check marks. Affordability, yes. Beginner friendliness, yes. Quality, through the roof, yes. I definitely can recommend that you go and pick this one up by Nadula Hair. I know I came on here cheesing so hard. It is because I had a feeling that I was going to enjoy this wig, and I definitely did, y'all. In the comments, talk to me. Look at me staring at myself. In the comments, talk to me. Tell me what your thoughts are on this unit with this color. If the color is too much for you, know that Nadula makes this exact wig in a black color that I have. So I definitely can recommend that you go and pick this one up. Just talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are, you guys. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.